Hey, how's it going?
Good, how are you?
Good. So, we got a few on the list for today.
Yeah, surprisingly.
Including an estate sale first thing.
Yeah.
We're gonna go wait outside for an hour or so.
Oh, no. I don't know. Maybe
I'm not sure.
Half an hour.
You think it's that late already?
Yeah. Hopefully there's not 1,000 people in line.
I know.
Or I'll be upset.
Yeah, me too. All right. You ready?
Ready.
Let's go.
Okay.
It says it's right up here.
Oh.
Oh yeah, I see the people.
Oh. Like lots of people? Well,
Not a
too
ton,
bad. Oh,
but
good.
we should get out there.
Yeah.
Okay.
Are you gonna grab a bag?
Yeah.
In the back?
Are you?
Yeah, you can grab 2. Hi.
How's it going? Good, good.
Yeah.
2, 3, 4, 13, 14, 15. John, you're 16, but I'll let you because I know you look after your wife.
I wish I were 16.
You wish you were. It won't be long because as soon as I get people.
Well, you grabbed a couple things.
Yeah. Hat,
Fur hat.
which I have coats that are that same fur.
Yeah.
And that. Isn't
And
that
an old
nice?
photo album with the super thick decorative pages.
And there's a couple of photos in it.
Oh, there is too. Looks like it got wet or something though.
Yeah. What can you do though?
That's nice. Mm-hmm. That's nice.
This is what I came for.
Yes, awesome.
Yeah.
Glad you got it.
Yeah, me too. I
Okay,
saw
let's
it there and I was like, oh, yay.
Excellent.
Yeah.
Yeah, there was a few things. Man, people were ruthless today.
Were they?
Well, yeah.
All the boys
getting
wanted the stuff in the basement.
Pushed out of the way and
Really?
okay.
Okay.
Well, I'm glad you got what you wanted.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That and a hat. A little pricey for the hat, but the book was cheap, so it evens out.
Yeah. You ready?
Yes.
Okay, let's go.
Okay. This one, it was on yesterday from 3 to 6:30, but there's an antique butler's table at it. Yeah. Was.
If it's still there.
Yeah. But if they have one antique, they might have other antiques.
Yeah.
There. Looks like there's a few tables, and I don't see the one in the picture, but there looks like some nice stuff. And today's
camera.
Today's the last day, so ready?
Yep.
Okay. Good morning. Yeah, it is. It is a little cool, but I think it's going to warm up a bit. At least it's not windy. Yeah. What's this? Free?
It's like a leather jacket.
It does. Wow. Not that you need it, but
Yeah, I've already got several, but.
I know.
Hi.
Hello, how are you?
Good.
Good.
Who are the Mustangs?
Oh, just Ford Mustang.
Oh, Ford.
Yeah, Ford jacket. I got it at a garage sale.
Have you got a Mustang?
No.
No?
One day we got the F150. That's all.
Yeah.
I'm wondering about those yellow glasses.
They're $3 each though, but maybe.
Yeah.
Those are kind of cool.
Yeah.
You see how they glow in the black light there?
They're uranium glass.
They're uranium glass.
See how that glows and that doesn't? This is a purple light.
Oh, do you collect? They collect them?
Yeah.
The uranium
Yeah, I
glass.
think how much they're old. They're older, aren't they? I don't know. So that's how you tell where do you get one of those lights.
Anywhere. It's we bought it off eBay.
Yeah.
You can get them at
It's an
Walmart.
ultraviolet light.
Oh.
Just a UV flashlight.
Yeah.
They sell them at Walmart as pet stain detectors.
Yeah.
Yeah. Are you negotiable on your price?
For that glass?
Yeah.
Like, what do you think it's worth? I think it's worth it.
Variation of.
Oh, it's probably worth that, but I don't want to pay what it's worth. That's just. I was looking at about 2/3 of your price. I think you've priced it at 21 altogether when I counted it.
Yeah.
It would take 14.
Well.
We'll give it a good home.
Yeah, we're not dealers or resellers or
No.
Oh,
anything.
you're not?
No. This is pretty too.
Well, how about 15?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
We'll do 15.
You want
Yeah.
me to wrap them up or?
Somewhat.
I think
so.
Yeah.
Box, right?
Okay.
I guess it would probably work.
This is pretty, isn't it?
I got a lot of boxes.
But we don't need it, but it sure is
I
pretty.
had to bring less.
I think that's the only thing, isn't it?
Okay, not into these tables.
They're very pretty, but we don't have room. This one I thought Bruce would like it,
Yeah.
but it,
Plus, I had a plant on the bottom.
yeah,
One
that's
time, but
isn't that always the way, hey?
Those plants, you're gonna have to be so careful.
And then they just
Inevitable.
leak anyway. Yep. So many nice things you have.
Oh well, you can buy some more.
Fill up my house.
It's already full.
Yeah. Yeah, this
Well,
is
I
really pretty.
appreciate you willing to deal.
Oh, okay, sure. Yeah, you know where I got those, I think? I got them in a box of stuff from Government House. Did you ever go to that auction?
Oh, no, we have.
Okay, thank you.
Thanks.
This one, I don't know, I kind of did a number on that. Then I put a doily on it.
Probably any oil
Yeah.
would probably reduce the look of that.
Holy smokes. Oh, I wrecked it. I wrecked it.
Hello.
I'm sorry, Jerry. I didn't get your sign language there.
Just this one.
I'd like to give him.
Well,
Well, thanks again.
Okay, you're welcome. I hope you enjoy
thanks.
it.
Yes.
We will. Thank you.
It's in a box for me, and I'm glad you're gonna use like.
Yeah, they'll be
We'll
displayed.
display them and
Yeah.
have one of those black lights over them so they'll just glow all the
Yeah.
time. Yeah.
Awesome.
It'll look really nice.
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Awesome.
Thanks.
Thank you. Actually, I want to look through these a little better here. Oh, there's some records. What's in here? CDs. Wow.
This is free?
Yeah.
Oh, that's ridiculous.
You want to take
It's
it?
free. No.
Oh, I know. It is worn and stuff, but yeah, it's got the zip out liner and everything,
Wow.
or collar and stuff.
Danier.
Yeah. Somebody hold it for a second so I can see what. This is wool, I think. Vintage wool jacket. Wow. Look at that. That's a nice one.
Yeah, that one's nice.
I think I'll take that one. It doesn't look like there's any. Yeah, that is a nice one.
It looks like there's more in there at the bottom.
Yeah, this
Yeah.
is leather too.
Suede.
Ooh, calves. Oh, it's got a.
Oh, it's ripped.
Yeah, there's some. That was my husband's uncle's coat.
Wow.
And I was wondering why he wasn't keeping it, but he said it was ripped.
Yeah, there's a
It's
rip
such
in it.
nice
I
leather.
don't know if you could, you know.
I wonder if I could use it for something else. I like it. I wonder if I could fix that.
Or use it to.
It's so
upholster
nice.
a
Yeah. Because that is so soft.
Yeah.
Well, I think these two.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm going to take these with me.
That's good.
Great. Thank you very much.
Thanks.
Wow. They weigh almost
Yeah, I know.
nothing, hey? They're so thin. All right.
Okay. On to the next.
Yeah. Okay.
Uranium glass.
I know.
Or Vaseline glass.
Yeah.
Same thing.
Okay.
Don't find that every week.
This one's an estate sale, too.
Okay.
Sounds good, eh?
All right. Well,
Well, that was a good one.
yeah, and some nice jackets too for free.
I know. That leather is really nice.
Yeah, the suede there.
Yeah, suede. It's so soft. It's like, probably like calf skin or something. But that's why it's ripped.
Yeah, because it's so soft.
Very soft. It's just a weak point or something.
Yeah. All right.
Okay, you ready?
Go to the next one.
Okay.
Yeah, those glasses are sure bright yellow. I wasn't sure if they'd be uranium or not. So
Yeah. We don't really have much for Vaseline.
yeah, I was happy that they lit up.
Yeah.
Hey guys, thanks again for coming along with us. We love having you. Just a reminder, now's the perfect time to get down there. Make sure you're subscribed, hit those bell notifications so you don't miss a single episode, and give us a like while you're down there. And we'll see you next time. On to the next. Oh yeah. Did you bring one for yourself?
Yep.
Oh, so you got another one in there then?
Nope.
Oh. What?
Yeah, you do the math on that.
I can tell why you're not like a counselor or therapist
Yeah.
for a living.
No.
You'd be like, oh, f***ing get over it already.
God.
Yeah.
Just whining all the time.
It's been like a week. You still crying about it.
Yeah. I'm not good at consoling people. Unless they want me to make a joke about their current situation.
Then you're really good at consoling people.
Yes. Yeah. Why don't I have any friends?
I don't know.
I don't know.
You probably consoled them all away.
Yeah, maybe. So 30. Oh yeah, 30. Can't see any numbers. So then I don't know where to go from that one.
Yeah. Well, what number is it?
It's 5 out of 7.
Well, then I think we'll go to like
6 and 7? Or you want to go
start backtracking.
4,
Yeah,
3, 2?
I think so.
Okay. Oh!
Flipped right over. That's probably how it happened that time when it was open. Did a handstand.
How did it, like, it's like perfect.
I know, it was perfectly in the other side.
What the heck is going on here? Okay.
Okay.
$20, hey?
15
Nice.
to Sony. What I
Cool.
like about Sony is you can use any Sony, any remote works.
Really?
Yeah, any Sony works.
$20.
15.
15.
Nice.
You stole it, Jerry.
That's good. It looks like it's
So put me in jail.
pretty minty.
Oh, he's locked out.
Oh,
Yeah,
Yeah.
he's on our list. I think we had it down as 9 o'clock though, but
Well, it's possible.
yeah.
But
I've made mistakes before too, though. Well, the one time. Yeah.
Hey, wait a second here.
I think he heard us.
Nothing but shit and abuse.
Yeah. I'm glad he's abusing you again.
See this? Somebody rested something on this car hood.
Somebody what?
Rested something on this car's hood.
Oh,
It's
no.
caused these dents and scratches. Aren't you happy about that?
I wonder what that was.
I know.
Not good.
I saw that, I was like, oh, that's permanent.
Whoops. Well, it's not like that car is in very good shape.
no. Halloween.
A lot of people aren't decorating because people are stealing their stuff.
Yeah, I can understand that.
It's nice, eh? I don't know what's wrong with people. Like, there's gonna be more shoot first, ask questions later going on. I think. So this one, it doesn't start until 10. Which one's Scarth? What is this guy doing? Oh, a nice signal. Butthole. Oh, he is signaling. Just couldn't see it.
We just didn't start
He must have bumped it while he was turning the corner.
Yeah. There's that damn ticking noise again. Okay.
We're here?
Yeah, we're here.
Okay. Quit screwing around.